Hey, my name is Ralph and I'm with Flexfilm, and I want to talk to you about what I call the equity principle. You know, a lot of times the big brand is known for selling you a quality product, but you're going to pay more for it. But there are places that you can get either the same product or a better product. You know, just like when you buy a house, say you want to cut the grass and paint it and maybe do a couple of repairs on it, you increase the value of it. And when you sell that house, you get that value back out. If you buy a roll of film that's, you know, and you save $100 or $200, you're giving that equity to big brand. And they're gonna drip feed it back to you and make you feel like they're giving you stuff for free. And you gotta put your energy and marketing into your company. Don't keep fooling yourself and relying on big brand to bring the cars into your bay. Most people don't care about the brand that you're using. They care about you, and they care about the customer service, and they care about the great job that you give them. Now you're winning on a regional level, and now you're not only making the money you deserve, but you're making more money through this equity principle. Kind of dial your thinking in on how you want to run your business. Sometimes it makes a big difference on the bottom line and how successful you're going to be. Just food for thought. Thanks for watching my video.